Welcome to my workshop. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make these soda bottles that are so cute and old-fashioned. Okay guys, so I went to the dollar store and I was going around looking at stuff, thinking of projects that would be really fun to do, and this is what I found. These are so cute. I have decided that I've actually been thinking about doing this idea for a while, and it's super fun and cute. So to start off, what I'm doing is I have this little bottle, and my chalk labels that I got in my previous video for how to make potions, I am labeling them, and I'm gonna label them with a soda that I got from the store. So let's go ahead and label our tags. Because these are done now, I am taking them and I'm putting them on our washed bottles because we don't want gunk in our bottles, so yeah. How cute! Ah! Now I'm gonna do all of them. For our sodas, I am using just the No Name brand of cream soda and also Fanta strawberry. And the reason why I'm kind of using this is it's because it looks like wine and rum a little bit. But they're safe, so this is what I'm gonna use, so yeah! To make it so it's easier to get our soda into our bottles, what I'm doing is I am actually freezing them first. Now that I have my soda in there, I have a little bit of wax paper that I cut out into a circle, and I am putting it over the top, crinkling it a little bit, and then I am wrapping around with twine. If you guys want to know where I got all the supplies to make this, I will have a link in the description below where you can find similar items to this. They're done and they look fabulous. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. This was super easy to make. It only took me like a half an hour to make, plus it was super easy. Please like, comment, and subscribe on my channel, and also stay tuned for more videos and check out my comments down in the comments.